Hello everyone, today in this video we'll talk about different kinds of scholarships available for students in Qatar. So stay with me and we will go through these scholarships one by one. Student scholarships. Qatar is a home to some of the best international universities. Its strategic geographic location and scholarships and funding opportunities make the destination suitable for students from across the globe. Okay. Now, first of all, we'll talk about Qatar University. Qatar University scholarships. You can take a look here. Qatar University offers this scholarship to admitted students to the in the university who apply directly to the university. The nominated students may receive these scholarships during the fall and spring semester of the academic year. What is the eligibility criteria? Letter of acceptance from Qatar University and excellent high school grade must be used in same semester. For more detail, you can click here to take a look at further details. But in this video, we'll just go through these scholarships one by one, okay? Now this scholarship, GCC State Scholarship. These scholarships include exemption from tuition fee and free accommodation from the university and are offered to the students of GCC countries who hold the high school certificate or its equivalent in their countries or any other country with the exceptions of Qatar. What is the eligibility criteria? Must obtain letter from embassy addressed to Qatar University requesting consideration for this specific scholarship. Short scholarship for Arabic program for non-native program. Okay, so this is a short scholarship for Arabic programs. This scholarship is present in Qatar University. You can apply for that scholarship in Qatar University. Well, and Qatar Foundation Student Fund. Qatar Foundation Student Fund based on academic excellence goes across all the partner universities at Education City. Full-time student completion of 2 semesters at any Education City campus. GPA of 3.6 or higher. Okay, and this one, Carnegie Mellon University, Qatar Grant Scholarship. CMUG provides world-class financial aid program to its admitted students. And similarly, another scholarship in CMU in Qatar, merit scholarships. So these scholarship, you can click here more details and you can take a look further about these details. If I will go through all the details, then the video will be so long. So you can see which scholarship is more suitable for you, and then you click on more details to see further details. And if you would not understand anything, then you can ask me in the comment section. I'll make another separate video for these scholarships one by one, and then it will be like more easy for you to know the further details of these specific scholarships. Qatar Foundation Student Fund. The Qatar Foundation offers annual merit-based scholarship for returning students. Eligibility: Georgetown University in Qatar. So this is a university, Georgetown University. One is in USA and this one in Qatar. Offers scholarships. So this would be a very good opportunity. Qatar Foundation Student Fund, Hamid bin Khalifa University, and Qatar Foundation Fund, Northwestern University in Qatar, Qatar Foundation, Texas and A&MU University in Qatar, Qatar Foundation Funds, Virginia Commonwealth University School of Art. So they mention the first names, okay, like this university, and then this university is offering these scholarships, okay, like now this one, Well Cornell Medicine Qatar, and now you'll see this one is offering this scholarship, and University of Doha for Science and Technology offering this scholarship. So they are mentioning each university, and below there they mention the scholarships. Hamid bin Khalifa University, you can apply for these two scholarships. For specifically, I just go through this detail, like Georgetown University in Qatar grant scholarship. You will click here and then it will take you that page where they have mentioned further details about that scholarship. You see how to apply. Okay, they have mentioned step by step how you can apply. Merit based eligibility criteria they have mentioned here. what it covers also mentioned here, and contact details if you will have any questions related to that. So they say that KF Merit Based Scholarship Award covers tuition fee, textbook cost only. This scholarship will complement any partial scholarship, including university awarded by Georgetown in Qatar. The scholarship may award to students in any of the following years. Okay, so that's how you can apply for these scholarships. And if you will have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. We daily upload the videos about different scholarships. I wish you best of luck. Stay happy, healthy, and yeah, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.